Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. In the last classes, we had covered introduction and how to use how to do addition and how to use auto sum function that we had seen. Now today we'll see the last topic of the chapter. That is last topics. Very small topics are remain in this chapter that we'll cover today itself in this video. So first topic is working with worksheet. Switching between worksheets. When we add a number of worksheets, only a few worksheets can be seen on the screen. To switch between the worksheets, click the arrow button on the worksheet tab. Renaming a worksheet. To rename a worksheet, double click on the sheet tab you want to rename. It will highlight it. Type a new name and press the enter key. So first of all, I will show how to rename, how to switch between the worksheets. It is a button available. It is a button. It is on sheet 2, and this one is on sheet 3. Okay, just click on the sheets. In this way, you will just switch in between the worksheets. Okay. So, and the next thing is to renaming a worksheet. Just right click on the sheet and rename. This is an first method. So I'll just give weekly expense. Okay. The second method is double click on the worksheet. It will enable you to rename the worksheet. Give any name. I will give here monthly expenses. Okay, just click anywhere inside the worksheet to give a name. Okay, this way we'll rename the worksheet in two different methods. Just right click on the sheet tab and double click to rename it. Now adding a new worksheet. To add a new worksheet, select the sheet before you want to place a new worksheet. Right click on the sheet tab and select insert option. The insert dialog box appears. Select the worksheet option and click on OK. You will notice a new worksheet gets inserted before the selected worksheet. और ये shortcut की है shift plus F11 to insert our new worksheet. I'll show you. Just right click here on the last sheet tab or anywhere on the sheet or between anywhere in the sheet. जो भी अगर between के sheets है या फिर end का last sheet है या first sheet हो, just do right click and click on insert option. So we will add a general worksheet. Click on OK. It will add one more worksheet. Okay, in the workbook. As I said you, this is in worksheets and will these worksheets make a workbook. ये पूरी की पूरी जो एप्लीकेशन है उसको बोला जाता है वर्कबुक, जिसके अंदर रहते हैं नंबर ऑफ वर्कशीट्स. नाउ second method is click on insert worksheet icon present next to the end of the sheet 3 tab. A new worksheet will appear at the end. यहाँ पर sheet 3 इधर रहता था, हमने बाद में उसके बाद और एक sheet insert की और यहाँ पर हम प्लस करेंगे, प्लस साइन पर क्लिक करेंगे या insert worksheet साइन पर आइकॉन पर हम क्लिक करेंगे. it will add a new worksheet in the workbook. Okay, in this way we'll add a worksheets to the workbook. और अगर यहाँ स्विच करना है, देखिए शीट 1 हमारा पीछे चला गया है. सो यहाँ से इन दिस वे हम यहाँ से स्विच कर सकते हैं वर्कशीट्स को. द नेक्स्ट इज रिमूविंग अ वर्कशीट. प्लेस द माउस पॉइंटर ऑन द वर्कशीट टैब दैट यू वांट टू डिलीट. राइट क्लिक ऑन द वर्कशीट टैब, सेलेक्ट द डिलीट ऑप्शन और सेलेक्ट द डिलीट ऑप्शन इन द सेल्स ग्रुप ऑन द होम टैब. फर्स्ट क्लिक करते हैं, इसको राइट क्लिक करेंगे और यहाँ से डिलीट करेंगे. इट्स वेरी सिंपल. राइट क्लिक ऑन द वर्कशीट, जो भी आपको वर्कशीट यहाँ पर डिलीट करनी है, राइट क्लिक ऑन द सेलेक्टेड वर्कशीट एंड फ्रॉम द ऑप्शंस फ्रॉम द शॉर्टकट मेनू click on or select the delete option. In this way you will delete the unwanted worksheets from the workbook. And the next method is select the delete option in the cells group of the home tab. Now we'll go on the home tab. In the home tab in cells group अब जाते हैं delete sheet. So it will delete a selected sheet from the workbook. Now all the worksheets we had deleted from the workbook. Only one worksheet is remain, that contain our monthly expenses details. Now last thing is saving a workbook. To save our workbook, follow the given steps. Click on the file tab and select the saves. The save as dialog appear. फाइल टाइप पर जाते हैं. फ्रॉम द मेनू क्लिक ऑन सेव एज ऑप्शन. for save as dialog box will appear on the screen. Then give the file name. Select the drive and the folder where you want to save the workbook. Type the file name in the file name text box. Click on save button. The file will be saved with an extension .xlsx. जब भी फाइल सेव होगी उसके फाइल नेम के बाद ये इसके आगे एक्सटेंशन रहेगा जो हमें शो करेगा कि that this file is made into the Microsoft Excel. You can save your files using Ctrl+S की कॉम्बिनेशन. यहाँ से हम जहाँ पर हमें सेव करना है उस ड्राइव को सिलेक्ट करते हैं, डेस्कटॉप पर सेव करते हैं. यहाँ फाइल देते हैं, मैं फाइल का नेम देता हूँ 8. इसको वेल क्लिक ऑन सेव. And the next the shortcut key from the keyboard is Ctrl+S. And third method, this is known as quick Excel toolbar, which is present above the file tab. Click on this save button. It will ask the same for you. So guys, in this way we had completed the chapter number 2. If we have any query, question, please ask me. Thank you.